Good morning, everyone. Respected sir and ma'am, and my dear sisters and brothers. First of all, I wish all of you a very happy Independence Day. Today is 79th Independence Day. Our freedom did not come easily. We got this freedom result of lot of sacrifice and struggles of our great freedom fighters like Bhagat Singh, Mahatma Gandhi, Lal Balpal, Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, etc. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my India very much. Please all speak loudly your opinion, yes or no. Do you love your country? Thank you.